We are in Lombardy, in northern Italy. This is Val Brembana, a valley in the Alps famous for its wild nature and its unique food. Today we'll reach one of the most isolated restaurants in the valley, Terrazza Montebello. After some hiking, the restaurant finally appears in the distance, but the view is absolutely worth the long walk. This mountain shelter can also be reached by chairlift from the town of Foppolo, or even with a jeep shuttle service. Polenta is an ancient Italian recipe. It's a cornmeal porridge prepared with hot salty water, and traditionally it replaced bread. Here it's served with a selection of local cheese like gorgonzola, taleggio and branzi. Cheese is accompanied by a sprinkle of honey. Its fruity aroma goes along perfectly with savory cheese. Pizzoccheri is a kind of buckwheat pasta originally invented in Valtellina. It's traditionally cooked with potatoes, cabbage, butter and hard cheese. Some modern variants of this recipe may also include Parmigiano Reggiano, but the traditional version of Terrazza Montebello calls for local mountain cheese. Casoncelli are a peculiar kind of ravioli from the province of Bergamo, with a unique half-moon shape. The filling is a blend of meat, cheese and spices, but some versions may even include pear or macaron crumble. Polenta taragna is obtained by adding cheese and butter to freshly cooked polenta. A top-quality polenta taragna must include Furmai de Mut, a very rare aged cheese prepared only with milk from local grass-fed cows. Deer and red meat in general have a very strong presence in northern Italy cuisine. Some dry orange slices give a fresh touch to the richness of this spicy dish. Porcini mushrooms are extremely hard to grow in controlled environments, so between September and November, wild porcini are collected and stored for the following months. Porcini are sauté with butter and seasoned with garlic, a pinch of salt and a sprinkle of parsley. Strudel is a classic dessert from the Alps. This sweet pastry wrap is stuffed with apples, raisins, pine nuts and cinnamon. This is the perfect marriage between a ricotta cheesecake and a pie. The sweetness is actually very subtle, so you can really taste the ricotta and the chocolate chips. The crumbly crust creates a beautiful contrast with the softness of the cheese.